Welcome to the installation process of 48伏280battery pack.
Parts list. Test the cells, make sure the voltage is consistent. Fasten the C-bottom pad with M40 screws. Fasten the handles and the lower upper latch locks with M40 screws on each S. Put on the epoxy boards and put the cell. One by one, each cell had one epoxy board between on the EVA tape. Fasten the front bracket with silver M40 screws. EVA cotton on the PCB board support bottom and use M40 screws to fasten the brackets. Attention, put the board on the right, B board on the left side. Put on the flexible bus bars and the flange nuts. HAKADI new design bus bars. Note where cells bus bars B is used. Install the protective plate using M-SAN nuts. Install the protective plate using M-SAN nuts. Fasten C terminals attached to the front using M40 screws. Install the fuse cover. Install the fuse and tighten the flexible bus bar. Use nuts for reinforcement. Connection between flexible star busbar and BMS. Install the switch button for LCD. Connect the flexible busbar to the positive and negative terminals of the battery. Insert the negative wire backwards to avoid damaging the BMS. Insert positive line wide. Check the battery pack after installation is complete. Thank you for watching.